Hello mga ka-organic! A new day, a new Q&A. Today, si Anti-Aging 5-in-1 Skincare Kit by Organic Nature ang ating pag-uusapan. So, what is the first question? Ito ang ating first step. It's the face soap. The second step is the toner. Pwede natin tong gamitin by using a cotton pads. Ilagay mo at ipahid sa face or just put it on your hand and pat it on your face. This is not used to clean your face, but it is used to prepare your skin for the next step, which is the serum. And then, the last step in the morning is to use the day moisture as it will also give you a sun protection. And sa gabi naman, instead of using the day cream, we use the night repair therapy treatment para naman may moisturize yung skin mo at sa umaga ay ready to go ka na. Second question. Serum ang pinaka-importante sa isang skincare regimen kasi ito ang nagbibigay ng highest concentration ng active ingredients that will target our specific concerns. At ang concern ng anti-aging are fine lines and wrinkles. So yung serum natin, ang active ingredients ito is the retinol. Yun talaga ang nakakatulong para maiwasan magkaroon tayo ng mas malalang mga wrinkles. The Anti-Aging 5-in-1 Skincare Kit has a marine collagen plus some of the key anti-aging ingredients included in this kit, which is retinol, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, kojic acid, and vitamin E. All these ingredients are known for their potential para nga naman ma-reduce ang ating signs of aging. The day cream has a 97% sun protection. At bakit importante magkaroon ng sun protection? Kasi in any anti-aging kit, kailangan sun protected tayo para nga naman maiwasan magkaroon ng sun damage ang ating skin. The night repair therapy treatment comes and suits our skin at ito yung tumutulong para mag-repair at renew ang skin natin overnight para the next day paggising natin ay makapagbigay ito ng refreshing and youthful glow. Yes, pwedeng-pwede to sa mga lalaki kasi ginawa naman namin tong product na to hindi lang para mag-benefit ang mga babae, but of course, para sa mga kalalakihan, para ma-maintain nila ang younger looking skin nila. Last question. The Anti-Aging 5-in-1 Skincare Kit by Organic Nature is very safe to use by everyone because we also complied with the FDA safety and regulatory standards.